Okay, this ladder we return back to that side, and this time September 10, this done cleaning, and tomorrow we're going to Philippines. This my lily is not yet blown, but it's okay, just leave that one. Thinking what's happening this when I come back, so I did a video. This I found only here, this one and that. Okay, this our yard, the backyard here. Okay, it's clean already. That's it. Yeah, I hope not much along when we come back, the grass, so still be good. Everything will be settled already. Okay, and then this all here already, and this my clematis is good, very beautiful. Yeah, and here that's already flower, and that's my flowers. The impatient is good, and is the daylily still alive. And that one, I don't know what's the name, that I did not see that one, but it's okay. That's the day impatient. Yeah, here is all around my patient flower. I need to plant this beside here in the edges, that there's the wood. That's why I plant. Yeah, it's just a good, very good. Yeah, put in the borders of the road. Yeah, so this is all for today. Tomorrow we'll going travel, going to Philippines. So see you guys in the Philippines. Yeah, that's it all. Yeah, just clean all, and this one, it needs to put this inside there before we go. Okay guys, thank you for watching.